Hello everyone. In this video we'll complete discussing Unit 9. So all of you please open your textbook page 134. In this page we have the title is Different Forms of Poems. So as I mentioned in the previous video that in this unit we will learn or study forms. Here means types, so we will study different types or different forms of poems. As we have here, we have three types. Let's start with the first one is haiku. The second one is tanka. Haiku and tanka, they are from the Japanese poetry. Okay? Let's start with the first one, haiku. First of all, what the meaning of haiku? Haiku, it's a noun. It means a poem of 3 lines. Let's count the lines together. 1, 2, 3. This is the name of the poet. So haiku, a poem of 3 lines with the syllable pattern 5, 7, 5. So the first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the fifth line have 3 syllables. Let's count the syllables together. The first line, an old silent pond. An, this is the first vowel sound, old. The second vowel sound, silent. Silent. I have here 2 vowel sounds. Pond, I have 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 vowel sounds. That means 5 syllables. Because as we mentioned before, the syllable is a word or part of a word that has a vowel sound. It must have a vowel sound. The second line, a frog jumps into the pond. Okay, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the last line, splash. I have the vowel sound A. Silence, silence. E at the end is silent. Again, again. A and I is the last vowel sound. So how many vowel sounds in the third line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have here 5 vowel sounds. So haiku is a poem of 3 lines. I have line 2, 3 with the syllable pattern 5, 7, 5. 5, 7, 5. This is the haiku. Haiku, and we mentioned before, haiku is a Japanese. It comes from the Japanese poetry. Okay, who wrote this poem? Matthew Basho. This is the poet. This is his picture. Matsu Basho, and he is a Japanese poet. And of course, this poem is translated into English by the translator Harry Ben. So this is Harry Ben. He translated the poem from the Japanese language to the English language. Okay, let's read the poem one more time. An old silent pond, imagine with me, and if you have colors, try to draw a picture for the poem. So we have here an old silent pond. We have pond. A frog jumps into the pond, and we have a frog that jumps into the pond. Splash, okay? Silence again. So of course, when the frog jumps into the pond, it makes noise because the water splashed. After that, silence again, okay? So this poem speaks about nature. Let's move to the second poem that we have today, which is tanka. First of all, what's the tanka? Tanka is a poem of 5 lines. Let's count the lines together. This is the title. Yellow Leaves is the title. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lines, and this is the name of the poet. So I have 5 lines with the syllable pattern 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. Okay, Let's read the line by line and count the syllables, and the syllable means vowel sound, or a syllable has only one vowel sound. Number 1, yellow leaves. Yellow leaves. This one is silent. Falling. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second one, into the lake. This one is silent. Its surface. This one is silent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Carrot. Rest. This one is silent. By. The breeze. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have here 5, and the letter E at the end here is silent. The next one, my, I, through, O and U. My thoughts. My thoughts, I have O and U. Hop, O. From, O. Leave, E and A, they make only one vowel sound. To, leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. The last line, cleaving. I have here 2. The breeze to the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have here 7 syllables. Okay, so what about the syllable pattern? I have here 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. So that's correct. So the second type, or the second form that I have here, is called tanka. Tanka is a poem that comes from the Japanese poetry. It's a poem of 5 lines with the syllable pattern 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. Okay, let's start to read the poem one more time. Okay, tanka, yellow leaves. Yellow leaves is the title. One more time, if you have some colors and the paper, try to draw a picture for the poem. Yellow leaves falling. So which season that we are speaking? We are speaking about autumn. Why? Because I have here some leaves falling down. So yellow leaves falling into the lake, and I have lake. Its surface caressed by the breeze. Its surface, the surface of the lake, caressed. What's the meaning of caressed? Caressed is a verb, but we added here ed. Caress means to touch someone or something gently in a pleasant way. Okay, so we have yellow leaves falling into the lake. Its surface, the surface of the lake, is touched by the breeze. The breeze touched the surface of the lake. What's the breeze? Breeze is a noun, means a light, gentle wind. A light, gentle wind. After that, I have my thoughts. Okay, let's move to the next slide. My thoughts hop from leaf to leaf. My thoughts, I'm thinking, and I have thoughts and a lot of ideas. And those ideas, they hop, they jump from leaf to leaf, cleaving the breeze. What's the meaning of cleave? Cleave is a verb, but what did they do? They crossed the letter E and they add ing. Cleaving the breeze. Cleave means to cut or break something into 2 parts with a lot of force. Force means power. Okay? So he has thoughts and ideas, and he imagined that his ideas, they are like leaves or like birds that are flying very fast and very powerful. So what will happen when they fly so fast and so powerful? They will cut or break something into 2 parts. But what will they cleave? We have here my thoughts, my ideas, hop from leaf to leaf, and the cleaving, they cut the breeze. The breeze, we mentioned before, breeze means wind. They cut the wind to the sun. Where are they going? They are flying so powerful and so fast to the sun. Okay? Of course, this is a nice poem. It's about nature and it reflects autumn. Okay? Make sure to copy these new vocabularies in your vocabularies copybook. And the last thing we will mention the name of the writer. His name is Vassils Komprozov. Okay, Komprozov. Okay, it's a French name and a French poet. Make sure to study hard and to copy the new vocabularies in your copybook. Thank you.